Something today that I've been doing is I've replaced the driver's side seatbelt, because the seatbelt came up as an MOT failure, and I figured it would just be an easy thing to change. And the reason it was an MOT failure is, I don't know if you can see that, but that is completely knackered. And while fitting this new one, I discovered the reason it was knackered is because on this side, if you have a look, it's got a little black casing just there around where the car locks in. And on this side, for some reason, that casing has completely gone. So I'm going to have to get a new one for there. And those screw heads there and there are exposed and were rubbing into the side of the seatbelt. I accidentally, I went on eBay and I got this second-hand seatbelt, and it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. I got it for £16, but I accidentally got the left-hand front side one. It didn't actually say, but when it turned up, I noticed it was the left-hand one. So this clip here, where it rests, should be going up, not down. But I tried fitting it anyway, and it's fit perfectly. It just means that this is more on an angle this way, but it's really not a problem, so I'm just going to leave it. So what's next for the car? Well, at the end of this week, it's going off for some welding at Totally TCV. It's going to be getting an entirely brand new windscreen and vent flap panel, because it is looking a bit crusty. In the meantime, over the past couple of months, I've been buying a few things for it. I bought a brand new front bumper, a brand new front bumper brackets. I have swapped this left-hand door over. I've bought a brand new exhaust and new shock absorbers, which I need to get putting on the car, but I can do most of that when it comes back from the welding. I've also bought a brand new bonnet. Well, not brand new, it's second-hand. Most of the stuff I try to get second-hand if I can. So I managed to get that for quite a good deal. It's not the right colour and it's got some surface rust, but we'll be swapping it over because the current hinge part of the bonnet is so corroded, you can't reuse it. It's also completely corroded around where it sits on the two front lights and in various other parts as well. So yeah, it just needs a new one. I also want to get some more welding done to it. Really could do is new sills, and it really needs a new seat box and the rear quarters where it goes down to the number plate section. That one needs to be replaced, and hopefully I'll be able to touch up some of the paint on that. I've not got a problem with tackling smaller areas just with rattle cans, and my painting's pretty okay, but you know, for the big parts you really should be using a paint gun, and you'd be using 2K paint, and I'm not particularly comfortable with doing that just yet. So yeah, here we are at the moment. Things have been happening.